So you want a camera too?
Me too. I want to have an camera. Just a little bit hold it.
Okay, hold it a little bit.
Okay.
So how are you gonna do the videos?
I'm gonna show them my room first.
I'm about to give you guys a quick empty-ish house tour. The kids are upstairs. My husband is upstairs as well. I'm just gonna try to move them as quickly as possible. So let's get going. All right, so when you first walk in, you have, this is the entry door, and then you have this little entryway here. I love that this space is high ceiling. This is how my home is going to be, high ceiling everywhere. It just gives it that luxurious look and just open up the space. I love open spaces. But anyway, so when you, obviously on this side here, we have this little thing here. I don't know what I would call it, but for now we just have our cable stuff there, and then obviously, which is needed for everyone who walk in. On this side here we have the living room. The lighting is good anywhere, like literally anywhere. Anyways, let me not give you guys too much. On this end here we have the living room. Like I said, a lot of our furnitures are still coming in, and then we've already hung the TV up. So yeah, I need to get that what's it called, the TV stand from IKEA, the long one. It's sold out right now. I don't know when it's gonna come back in stock, but I want that sleek look. Anyways, so on this end here we have the dining room. Hopefully you guys can see. We have the dining room here, which the table is also coming. It's coming from Z Gallery. Here's the dining room. You guys will just have to wait and see how I decorate the space. But yeah, I'm not too crazy about the chandelier there, but it's gonna stay there because I'm not trying to spend no more money, okay? But anyways, now into my favorite space, which is the kitchen. I absolutely love this kitchen so much, and I'm grateful to God that we're here now. Now there's a few things that I'm kind of iffy about, like this kitchen island. Now don't get me wrong, I love the kitchen island. I feel like it's a good size. However, if you know me, you know I would have preferred this to be like a lighter color, to be white, like a marble, not even just marble, just a lighter color, even if it was gray, but like a lighter gray, just much more of the white than the darker gray, if that makes sense. So that way when I want to kind of decorate around here on the table, I can kind of do that. But this works out perfectly fine. I'm grateful for it, okay? But yeah, this is my favorite candle right here. Pick Me or got me onto this candle life. It smells so freaking good. It smells so good. So there's our kitchen. So going back over here, there's a lot of cabinet space. I don't even know what to do with myself, guys. I don't even know, because I went from having little space to having all this space. Child, I don't even know what I'm gonna do right now, okay? I absolutely love this backsplash here. It's beautiful. I wouldn't mind that. Again, I just wish this was lighter. But anyways, we move. And then this right here, it's my absolute favorite part of the kitchen, plus the Highland, of course, but the kitchen Highland. But anyways, I have not one, not two, not three, not four, but five gas burners. I'm about to turn it up a notch and become a real chef, an actual chef, okay? Chef Lisa, come on here every Sunday. We'll have a little meal for you, okay? I just can't wait to cook on here. Obviously I haven't cooked, that's why I have to make this video today, because my husband is tired. He's like, hey, I need to eat, okay? Not that he hasn't been eating, guys. I'm actually a good wife. And then obviously we have our what, microwave, regular schmergular. Look at all the spaces. Like, look at all this space. Obviously, guys, I've been on Amazon for a little too long. I'm gonna give you guys a Crate and Barrel haul as well as an Amazon haul. A few things I got, but guys, I just can't. And then down there, I can't go that low. And then here, I got that from Amazon as well. And then we have more storage space down here. Obviously, this is from Zion's birthday party, which we will use for Zoe's little get together for the dads. Okay, and then look at my pot. I can't wait to cook in this pot. The guy was like, this pot is really good. If you know anything about this cow falon, let me know in the comment section below. Here is my real favorite part of the freaking kitchen. I have a walk-in pantry. Okay, a freaking walk-in pantry. I can actually walk in and then close the door. The door is closed. Like, what? God, you did that. And this is not even my home yet, so I just can imagine when we finally purchase our own home. But I'm just grateful to even be here right now. Okay, we have so much spaces. We have so much spaces. Obviously, those are all the things that I got from Crate and Barrel. I'll give you guys a quick little haul, but I freaking love this pantry. I will be organizing it, so stay tuned. And then, okay, this is another favorite. Honestly, I feel like everything is my favorite right now. This is another favorite of mine. I really don't care about the whole technology thing. It's cool. I'm not even gonna lie, it's cool. It keeps the kids busy. I am just grateful to have freaking, this fridge is huge. Okay, this fridge is so huge. I can't wait, guys. I'm about to just do something with it. It's the space for me. It's just the space for me. And then down here we have the freezer. Obviously we have a couple things in there. There's really nothing, because I tell you guys, I really haven't been cooking, hence I haven't been cooking, but I will start. I needed to to make this video really quickly, so that way you guys can get an idea of the before and after. And then we have this hallway here. This door leads to the garage. This is the restroom, the downstairs restroom. And then over here, that's just where I was filming my life update video. This is also my work area. Obviously, it looks, kind of boring right now. A lot boring, not kind of. It looks very boring. However, I will be I will be doing something to it. I will be doing something to it. But yeah, that's my work area. I just love that I have that space there. There's windows. Again, I'm all about my windows. Like light, daylight. Please give me the light. And then this door here leads to pretty much like a storage room where we put our, what's it called? Vacuums and all the miscellaneous stuff that I still have to obviously organize. The garage is a mess, guys. We literally have not unpacked much, so yeah, that's that in the garage. So let me take you guys upstairs. Let go. Again, my son is up, guys, so coming upstairs here, we have this space. I don't know if I mentioned it. I probably didn't mention it. However, we do not have a backyard for the kids. I mind a little bit. However, this community, they have so many things for kids, so they will definitely not get bored at all. But I'm just happy to have this space here upstairs. This will be their play area, indoor play area. Okay, so my battery died. So we have our washer and dryer here. I will need to organize up there as well. But anyway, so again, this is the area here. that door leads to the master bedroom. And then this is another storage unit here. Again, I just put some miscellaneous stuff there. I still have to organize. Again, this is the area for the kids. Guys, I just came up the stairs twice, okay? Please. Alright, so this is the kids' bathroom, restroom, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, we haven't set up much here at all, but yeah, this is their space, their bathroom slash restroom. I just have this little rug there, but yeah, this is for the kids then. And then over here, let's just go to this room here really quickly. This room here will be the baby's nursery slash Zion's room as well. Again, we don't know the sex just yet. However, it's definitely going to be the baby's nursery because I always wanted to do a nursery, so this will be the time for me to do a nursery. So I'll definitely do a nursery here because Zion technically still sleeps with us. So this will be the baby's nursery, and then the closet is in here. Guys, I'm really out of breath though. This is serious. Yeah, those are Zion's shoes over there, but there's a lot of space, a lot more space that we had back there, okay? So again, I'm very grateful for this. That is that. And then over here, the girls literally, well, Zoe literally chose, once we walked in here, she was like, this is going to be our room. I was like, okay, baby. And this room is a lot bigger than the other room, so it makes sense, I think. So yeah, right now they're just sleeping on the floor because the bed we had for them in the old house broke. So we ordered another bed for them as well, which will be coming in 2 or 3 weeks. But yeah, for now they're sleeping on their mattress. So this is it here, and here is their what is this called? Their closet. Guys, I'm out of breath. I can't open this. Okay, what's going on? Okay. Yeah, this is their little closet. Right now I have clothes all over the place, guys, because again, we need to fully unpack. But yeah, that's their closet. Now let me take you guys to the last part. Again, this is the stairs. Zion is crying. Say hello.
How?
Okay. Zion! Zion! You see yourself, Papa? On the camera? Yes, Zoe?
I probably have a camera.
So you want a camera too?
Me too. I want to have a camera. Just a little bit hold it.
Okay, hold it a little bit.
Okay.
So how are you gonna do the videos?
I'm gonna show them my room first.
Okay, let me show them this room first, and then I will give you.
Okay.
Okay? Alright guys, so we're gonna get into the master bathroom. The only downside about this again is that we don't have a bath Yeah, we don't have a bathtub. However, I can always use the kids' bathtub and do my little self-care thingy majiggy in there. But I absolutely love this shower. It's cool. This side is my husband's side, and then this side here is my side, and then over here we have the restroom. Just cool. You have the restroom, and this is it.